Hey, I'm Luna. I am a Swiftie. Today I have a very special first impressions video for you guys. I got the 4th edition of Lover. Unfortunately, I'm not super rich. I could only buy one, but I do have a lot of Taylor Swift doodles that I would love to show you guys today. We'll get into that later in the video. I'm so excited for this. Honestly, I have read one diary entry, but other than that, I don't know what's in here. The first thing that I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna open the back because I know the CDs in the back. I love it. It's so pretty. I have not bought a physical CD in 7 years, but I had to. This is Taylor Swift we're talking about. I'm kind of getting emotional. Honestly, I make fun of people who act like this about celebrities, but Taylor Swift is different. Listening to especially her old music is the closest thing that I have to a time machine. I'm freaking out about this. Okay, here's my poster. OMG, it's beautiful. I love it. Here's the little booklet. Before we open the book, can we just admire like the cover? Taylor is so beautiful. I can say that honestly, Lover is my favorite recent album by Taylor Swift. I'm so excited to see more stuff that comes from this album. I honestly am really excited for the tour for Lover. I was not excited about Reputation. I didn't really care a whole lot about it. It kind of makes me mad when celebrities try to profit off of fights that they have with other celebrities, but this album makes up for that. You guys, old pictures of Taylor Swift, like when I fell in love with her. If you guys didn't know, I'm obsessed with the early 2000s nostalgia. I'm wearing a Lizzie McGuire t-shirt for this video. My childhood was everything. The first entry for this journal is from 2006. I'm getting emotional right now. I love Taylor Swift and I love her early stuff. Back in the day, I used to know all of the trivia about her. I'm a Swiftie and I've been a Swiftie ever since Myspace. The first time that I ever heard a song by Taylor Swift, I was standing in my cousin's bedroom. One of her songs happened to be my cousin's Myspace song, so that is how I first discovered Taylor Swift, and I've been obsessed ever since. This is the entry I've been waiting for. This was when she actually got a record deal. So much nostalgia. When I didn't already know everything about her, it was just so fun, like learning everything about this book I'm in love with. If Taylor Swift ever actually wrote a real book, I would pre-order it the second that she announced it. For this next portion of the video, I decided that I would show you guys my Taylor Swift inspired doodles. I'm sort of new to illustration. I'm not used to filling up a full canvas. It's just mainly pen doodles. I think that Taylor Swift would be proud of my effort. The last few pages of her album are blank. She wants you to basically start your own diary. I love how this starts out like just a normal day at school. Well, maybe not a normal day because they had like an emergency drill, but you know what I mean. Basically, essentially normal. Then literally the next page, 3 months later, is when she got her record deal. So that just goes to show you that you never know what's gonna happen in life. You never know where your life's headed. There's an entry in here where she talks about playing Teardrops on my guitar in an airport. I would have loved to see that. I would have loved to meet Taylor Swift at an airport back in the old days. I like her old music better, and that's not really a secret. If you know me, you pretty much know that, but this album is the best thing that she's released in like a few. She talks about how every album of hers has to be great enough to keep her attention for 2 years because every album is 2 years of her life. I love that. It's so different from how a lot of people are getting famous these days, like with TikTok. I absolutely hate TikTok. I have not downloaded it. I honestly 100% do not know what it's about. It's so stupid because people think of things on the fly and don't put any thought into what they're posting. It just seems like a stupid concept. And with Taylor, I just love how everything is so thought out and there's Easter eggs in everything, especially in Lover. There were Easter eggs in every single music video, and I love that everything was so well planned out. It's so refreshing from TikTok. So I'm late filming this. It's gonna come up pretty late on YouTube. YouTube because obviously this has been out for a while. I'm not too sure about copyright when it comes to things like this. I mean, technically this is a reaction video, but there are plenty of reaction channels out there that get their videos flagged on a regular basis, and I do not want to be one of those channels. That's all I'm going to show you of this book, album, diary, whatever you want to call it. Remember to be capable and stay beautiful.